try again. Yeah? Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. Behind me we have the VW MK8 GTI, looking rather dirty and sorry for itself. Currently in for a couple of minor upgrades to start. We've done the RacingLine lowering springs on there. We're about to fit the R360 wheels, but in the meantime this car is going to be fitted out with an array of VBT goodies. So what we'll do is we'll grab Dean from VW MK8 to run through some of the brake upgrades we're going to put on.
Right, so thanks Tabby. So just a quick run through what we're going to be putting on the MK8 GTI. We're going to go for our 4-pot TTRS caliper with our custom logo, together with the 362mm AP racing discs with our custom bell, and our recently introduced DS Performance brake pads as well. On the rear, we're going with our newly introduced 356mm 2-piece kit. Obviously this is quite a big weight saving on the standard disc, as well as obviously giving you more leverage and a better braking performance. Again, together with the DS Performance pad, so we're going to keep hit matched front to rear. We're going to be doing a couple of different kits over the next few months, so this is our first one, and we'll be trying different things and obviously giving you some feedback, what fits with different wheels, and as much as we can anyway, and seeing what else we can get on there.
Okay guys, so there we have it, the MK8 GTI. It's now sat on the RacingLine springs. It's got the RacingLine R360 wheels on there, so we've got rid of those hideous stock alloys. The VBT with the TTRS 4-pots on there, and the VBT upgrade on the rear. So the car, other than it being absolutely filthy, you know, is sitting pretty, looking good. Next, we're going to get the race chip box. We're going to throw that on there. We're going to get it on the dyno and see what performance gains we can get from that. Thanks guys for tuning in. Follow us, subscribe if you don't already, and we'll continue to try and bring you some decent content over the lockdown period.